Yes, so let's turn on to page number 71. So we shall study about the types of allergy now. Okay, so there are two types of allergy. One is the non-seasonal or perennial allergy, and the other is the seasonal allergy. Very simple. These are very simple. See, so focus on this word. Perennial means throughout the year. Throughout the year. There are certain rivers in India which flows properly throughout the year, but certain rivers are there in India where the flow of the river decreases in the season of winter. So that means perennial is a word which is applicable for allergy, for rivers, etc. So perennial means throughout the year. That means these are the allergy which can happen anytime in the year. Anytime, okay? Anytime in the year. In the year, throughout the year, you can say throughout the year, anytime. These are not seasonal one. Seasonal allergies are the one they occur at a particular time in a year. All right, easy. Two types: non-seasonal or perennial allergy and seasonal allergy. Perennial word itself means throughout the year. That means this type of allergy can happen anytime in the year. But seasonal means it itself says that there are particular seasons, and so this allergy will happen in particular time in a year. Now let's go back to our books. That means number one, page 71. Non-seasonal perennial allergy can occur any time of the year, like dust mites, dander. Dander are what? Small particles or scales of hair or feathers, dandruff, etc. Saliva from dogs and cats and moles are some of the common perennial allergies. Can happen anytime. And number two, what's written is seasonal allergy occurs at a particular time in every year. This type of allergy usually occurs during the season when the pollen from plants is dispersed. Like there are seasons, right? We have let's see in the next slide, we have the spring season, the summer season, the fall season. Fall means autumn. Sorry, let me just clear it. Autumn season, and then there is a winter. So you see what happens in spring season. We are talking about seasonal allergy. See, spring season allergies due to tree pollen from specimens like oak, birch, maple and poplar. So in the spring season, these certain trees are there which releases pollen grains. Then when you go to summer season, the allergies due to specimens like ragweed, Bermuda grass, Johnson grass and ryegrass. So these are due to certain other types of trees or plants or grasses which are present in summer. So in summer, these species of plants, they release the pollen. Then when it comes to autumn season, allergies due to specimens like ragweed, goldenrod, mugwort, sagebrush and more. Don't you remember all of the names which is given in this slide. Remember only those examples which are given in your textbook. Okay, then certain types of trees or plants or grasses are there who specifically releases allergens in the autumn season. And then there is the winter season, of course, where different types of this dust and pet dander, household mold, also dry weather, they also causes certain sort of irritation in our body. That is hypersensitive immune response allergy. So that was about non-seasonal or perennial and seasonal allergy, types of allergy. And also you can see these are certain molds. That means, what do you know? These are fungus in the ceiling of a room. You can see, and this happens due to rainy season. All right. And this happens due to rainy season. There's fungus, molds, and this molds causes allergy. You might start sneezing when you enter such kind of rooms, damp rooms, or start having certain sort of uncomfortableness. So this was all about your entire chapter. So on page 71, we also have precautions and care that needs to be taken. So I give this part as homework to all of you. So please go through the precautions and care, that how do you need to prevent yourself from allergy. So please go through that all by yourself, and in case you all have any problem in understanding about precautions and care, then we shall discuss it in the class. But until then, I think we have completed this chapter successfully. Now it's your duty to read, to go through these video lecture series, and then again go back to your book. Don't miss out reading your books. All right. And then when we will have a live class, we will discuss it again. Once again, we'll discuss it. So I hope you enjoyed this class. We'll be discussing the questions and answers also. But before that, watch the lectures and go through the books. So it will become easy for you and me also to complete it fully. So yes, I really enjoyed taking your class, and yeah, looking forward to take more such amazing lectures. All right. So keep studying and happy learning. Bye. Take care.